Marmalade is a preserve made from citrus fruit and sugar. To make ruby grapefruit marmalade, thinly peel the outer layer of the grapefruits with a sharp vegetable peeler, avoiding the white pith. Next, boil the peels for 10 to 15 minutes or longer for thicker peels. This will help soften the peel and remove some of the bitterness. Then rinse the peel in cold running water and finally julienne. Add the peel, grapefruit segments, and all the juice you can squeeze out of the inner membrane into a sauce pot, and scale the citrus with the same amount of cane sugar. Add a split vanilla bean and allow the fruit to macerate in the sugar for about an hour. Next, bring the mixture to a boil and simmer for about 30 minutes or until the right consistency is reached. As the water in the juice evaporates, the mixture will become syrupy, and the marmalade is done when it reaches a temperature of 105 degrees Celsius or 220 degrees Fahrenheit, or when it congeals on a plate. The higher the temperature, the thicker the marmalade will set. Transfer to a sterilized glass jar and remove the vanilla bean. Allow to cool to room temperature, and if the marmalade is too thick, add a tablespoon or two of boiling hot water and mix it in. Store it in the refrigerator with an airtight lid. The ruby grapefruit marmalade will thicken as it sets and will be at its best for a couple of months.